Welcome to Benfei Tech, where creativity meets digital excellence. It's all things tech. Do well to follow our social handles.
Welcome to Benfei Tech. Let's start from zero and build a website. First, the HTML structure. Now, let's add some CSS styling. Finally, JavaScript for interactivity.
Welcome to Benfei Tech, your hub for coding, ethical hacking tools, premium tech resources, and others. Kindly subscribe to our channel.
Hey, looking sharp tonight.
You too. This Benfei Tech is next level.
Yeah, feels amazing.
Totally.
Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create those type of AI videos for free. Alright, so first head on to your Chrome browser or any other browser on your phone. Then on the search bar you search for this website, KIE-API. Then you wait for it to load. After it's finished loading, this is the website here, the first one that pops up. Then click on it, then wait for it to load again. Alright, so after it's finished loading, you click on this place where they say Explore AI API. Alright guys, so the platform has many AI model. Alright, you can explore on yourself, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of Grok Imagine. Alright, so just come to this place here and search for the model. So we scroll down to see, and this is the one I want to make use of, this particular one. So you click on it. Alright guys, so after it's finished loading, this is the next interface it will bring you to. Alright, so just scroll down here, and with this Grok Imagine we can generate video from image, then text to video, text to image as well, and image to image. Additionally, we can also extend our video on this platform. Then we can also upscale it for higher resolution. Alright, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making use of text to video. So I'll go ahead and switch the tab to text to video. So after that, you scroll down here, then on this box here is where we paste our prompts. I already have my prompt, so I'll just delete this one that is inside the box and paste my own. Alright guys, so you can just visit ChatGPT or Gemini to get a good prompt. Alright, remember how good is your prompt is how well the AI is going to generate your video for you. Alright, so I'll go ahead and paste my prompt on this input feed here. Then the next thing I want to do is select my aspect ratio. Alright, we have 2:3:2, but in my case I'll be using 16:9, which is for YouTube. If you want to generate your video for TikTok, you can choose 9:16. And if you want to generate for Instagram, you choose 1:1, but I'll be using 16:9 in my own case. Alright, so I'll go ahead and choose it. Then the mode here, I'll leave it at normal. Then the duration is how long you want your video to be. See, the more you increase it, the more its seconds increase, meaning you can generate up to 30 seconds video on this platform. Alright, but in my own case I'll be using just bring it at 8 seconds. Alright, then I'll leave the resolution at 480p. So after that, the next thing I want to do is click on this button, run here, to start generating your video. So I'll go ahead and click it. Oh, sorry guys, we forgot to sign in. So you see, it prompts us to sign in. So just go right ahead and sign in using your Google account. Alright guys, so we are successfully signed in here and our changes, everything still intact. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click on run, and that 12.8 is the amount of credit it will be using for this video. Alright, so I'll click on run and wait for video to be generated. As you can see here, our video is being generated here, and here is the progress bar. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and pause this video right away, so I'll resume it when the video has been successfully generated, so this video won't be too long. Alright guys, it didn't take much and our video is ready here. Let me go ahead and play it to see. Alright guys, so this is so amazing, right? This is amazing. The lip sync, the camera motion, the voice, everything is just perfect. Alright, so after that you can go ahead and download your video right away, and click on this button, this download button here. Click on it, and as you can see, it's showing downloading up here, and it says download successful. But then you still have to wait for your browser to actually trigger the download, so it will be downloaded to your device. Alright, you can see it has been successfully downloaded. So guys, you can just explore this UI interface depending on what you want to create. You just come down here and do that. You can create any type of video at all. Alright, you just have to visit ChatGPT to generate your video prompts, then come down to this website and create the video. Now I'll be showing you the second website here. You'll be creating this type of AI amazing video. Alright, so still on Chrome, and on the search bar you search for this website, Laureate AI. You search for it, and here, that's the website. Click on it. Then you wait for it to load, and this is the next interface that shows. Then look at where they say try for free here. You click on that place, then we'll be signing in using our Google accounts. Alright, so you click on sign in. You choose any of your Google accounts. Sorry, I'll be covering this particular site for security purpose and for YouTube not to flag this video. Alright, so I'll go ahead and choose my Google accounts I want to use for this platform, then click on continue. As you can see, we have successfully signed in here. So the next thing you want to do is click on this place where they say AI video. Alright, you click on it, and it will take you to this exact interface. On this place here is you'll be typing our prompts, then you can additionally add an image. Alright, but then I'll not be making use of that. I already have my prompts ready, so I'll go ahead and paste it on this place here. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here. Then I'll do a few customization. Look at this particular place, this place here. You click on it, then you leave it at text to image. Alright, text to image. So let's leave it at text to image. Then this particular place here, we switch the model, and I'll leave it at Sidans 2.0 mini. Alright, so let me leave it as Sidans 2.0 mini. Then this particular one here, you click on it. This is where you select, this place is where you select the aspect ratio for your video. If you want to generate your video for YouTube, you leave it at 16:9. If it's for Instagram, you use 1.1, and if it is for TikTok, you use 9:16, depending on the platform you're generating your video for. Alright, you leave it at that aspect ratio. Then resolution, you can choose between 720 to 480, but then I'll leave it at 720. Then the time, you can choose either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, or let me just leave it at 5 seconds. Then the sound, you can choose whether the video to have sounds or not to have sounds, but then I want my video to have sounds, so I'll leave it at this place. Then I'll click on apply. Then after that, I'll click on this orange arrow here, so that video can start generating right away. So I'll click on that, and as you can see here, our video is generating already. So we wait few seconds to minutes for our video to be generated. So I'll just pause this video right now and resume it when it has successfully generated. Alright guys, so our video is ready and it has been successfully generated, and it's a 5 seconds video. Alright, so let's go ahead and play this video. Alright guys, so this is the results for this particular one. I think the result will be way more better than this if had it been I chose 10 seconds long video. Alright, but then in your own case, you can tweak it to your own taste, choose whether 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Alright, and that is how to create free AI videos using those two platforms. Let me know in the comment section what type of video you want to create, so I can teach you how best to go about it. Alright, so let me know in the comment section the type of video you want to be creating, and the platform you want to create it for, so I can make video on that.